Hello everyone, welcome to another Fun Fact Friday. We are here live at University Animal Clinic. I am Dr. Sam. So I received a idea last week, and it was about puppy teething. Puppy teething, mouthing, biting, they kind of all go together, right? Just like our human toddlers, they like to put everything in their mouth. That's how they learn, and puppies are no different. So I do have some tips and tricks for you on training. There are some about not rewarding them for bad behavior. There are some about giving them negative feedback for the bad behavior and then giving them something else to do. Can't just tell them no. And then some other options for teething toys and things like that for our pets. So first, not rewarding the bad behavior. So when our pets are doing this, whether they're a puppy or an adult, but usually a puppy, they're doing this because they want attention. They want your attention. And so if you give them that attention, sometimes positive or negative for some pets, sometimes even negative attention is still attention. This can reward them for the behavior, and they think they're getting what they want. So they're going to keep doing it. So one technique is if they start to jump up or mouth on your hands, cross your arms, tuck your hands away so they can't get to them. Maybe even turn your back to them so that they can't jump up on you or try to bite you. This shows them that nope, you're not going to get the attention you want if that's how you're going to behave, and they will slowly over time learn that this isn't going to get me what I'm looking for, so I got to try a different technique because clearly I'm not going to get what I want. So that's one option. Another option is deterring them from the behavior. So say they're chewing on your shoe, something like that you don't want them to chew on. Tell them no, remove the object you don't want them to chew on. But the problem with puppies is they still want to chew, teeth, do those behaviors. So you need to give them something that they're supposed to chew on. So whether that's a rope toy, a favorite toy, a Kong with some peanut butter in it works wonders. Just make sure it's not any of that sugar-free, anything like that. Those can be dangerous. They even make some of the different Kong treat style things you can put in them that are flavored that they can try, but give them what you want them to chew on. That way they realize, don't chew on this, I can chew on that, and over time they'll start to pick up on that. A lot of people feel like giving them an old shoe that they're allowed to chew on can be an idea, but they don't know that that's an old shoe. They figure it's a shoe, I can chew on it, I can chew on shoes. That's the connection that they make. So be cautious about having an old shoe or an old something that they can chew on and expecting them to not chew on your new nice ones, because that's a difficult connection for a dog or a puppy to make. And then the third technique is when we're talking about our teething puppies and we know their mouths hurt. Just like we do in human babies, we take teething rings, things like that, we put them in the refrigerator or the freezer so that they're nice and cold for their mouths. Now you can't put a teething ring in the fridge and give it to a dog. Their teeth are very sharp. They will just puncture it and eat all of whatever that is inside there. But what I like to recommend, depending on the size dog, okay, of course, make sure that your rag size is appropriate to your dog size. So don't give a Great Dane puppy a little tiny dish rag. Otherwise, we'll be looking for it later in the OR. We don't want to do that. So make sure your rag size is appropriate to your pet size, but take a rag or towel of some kind, wet it, and then put it in the freezer or even the refrigerator. But start with the freezer until it just gets kind of crunchy. That water, after you've wrung it out, gets kind of crunchy and cold, and let them chew on that. That way, they have that coldness, they have something to chew on. It gives them relief to that teething that they're experiencing in their mouth. This generally goes on in the age groups as early as 16, 18 weeks, so 5, 6 months, up until 8 months in some pets, 9 months in some pets, for those canines to come all the way in. Those generally are the last teeth to come in, are those main 4 canines. Molars and things kind of start first. So that's a good tip and technique that you can use to try to help those pets be able to chew better. If you have other questions on puppy training and puppy techniques, let us know here at University Animal Clinic. We're always willing to help, and we always like to see puppies. So let us know. Direct message me or leave a comment down below if you have an idea for next Fun Fact Friday or have questions about your puppy. I'll direct message you back or try to answer you, but I'm always looking at those comments. Give this video a like and share. We love to get this information out. The more people we can help, the better. And those more puppies we can help, the better. Let me know what else you want to see. And I hope to see you guys here again next week. Thanks.